Hi there, it's Kathy Cheo-Isaacs. I wear the crowns and Tiara Tech. We're joining. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to talk about WeVideo. So we are working on a mock election. I think from last time I mentioned that, and I did some closed captioning on some videos that the kids had created. And so one of the options I had looked at was WeVideo because it's something that's on the Chrome Web Store. It says it's online and collaborative. So I wanted to dig a little deeper and look into that. So let's go ahead and get that started. So I'm going to do a few things. I'm going to come over. I'm going to share my screen. I want this one. Oh yeah, and it doesn't matter because you won't see me not looking at this screen. Okay, so here we go. So this is WeVideo. I had only used the free version up until last week. I guess I was just curious. I mean, I had put together some videos for the students, and I just thought there's got to be a better way. There's got to be a way for them to do it. So anyway, if you look at WeVideo, I had the free, and if you look at the pricing, there is free Flex Personal Unlimited. And then for educators, there's also pricing. There's Classroom, so $249 a year for up to 50 students and teachers, 50 users, or you could go for the district or school subscription. So for that one, I think, the great thing is that for educators, there's also a 90-day preview. So or trial. That's what I'm working on. So here is, I have 85 days left. This is what the dashboard looks like. It appears that I made a 2-minute video earlier. Right. So I wanted to try this because, I used Movie Maker last week. I was doing it myself. I kept thinking, oh, the kids could totally do this. Okay, so what happens with the WeVideo trial, you get, I think, 50 people that you can invite. So just like the basic, the $249 a year subscription. And in this dashboard, let's just take a peek at this. So this is our home of the dashboard. We have projects. Okay, so I worked on, I started 2 of the Dragon Town Hall. We filmed a debate with questions and answers. So there was a moderator, there were candidates, there were questions from the audience. So I kind of looked at WeVideo as a possibility for that. Um, I don't remember. Oh, you know what it was? It's that the trial has a watermark on it, and I just didn't feel like I wanted that for. I think this video was maybe 3 minutes, and I didn't feel that I wanted that, so I wound up not using that. But this dragon scene on the roof does have a watermark, and I went ahead and did that. So you have media. These are all the videos that you upload or the videos that you finish in WeVideo. We also have videos. These are videos that you finish and publish. Okay, so this is my dragon on the roof. And then you have your admin panel. So your admin panel lets you add, remove, or manage members. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. I'm the first member, and this is all the storage I've used for the videos that I've uploaded. Okay, and then this is also me, but it's me as a user. And what I did was I said, okay, add a member. Okay, and I think what I did was I emailed myself a registration link. Okay, so I emailed my student account a registration link and went through the process of registering. So there were a few things that I thought were a little bit funky, and I'm going to go ahead and stop this for now. And let's see if I'm any better. Maybe not. Maybe what I have to do though. Okay, so anyway, it was a little funky because there was a little bit of a lag. I registered myself, and then I was looking to invite my student account to a project, and I couldn't do that until the next day. Um, so yeah, I guess if you bought a school subscription or a district subscription, you could just sync everything up with Google. You could also sync it up with Office 365. Um, again, I'm doing the trial, so I can't do that. Or you could import a list. Okay, so those are the options to add members. But the thing that I thought was so great was here with the projects. Okay, so let's say I wanted to start a project. Okay, so universal plus sign means start something new. So I could create a new folder or a new project. And in this project, I could decide if this is just for me, if this is going to be collaborative, or if this is going to be shared. Oh, let's see, shared project media. Okay, so this would be that you make your own video with the same media. Okay, and then this one is that you can, multiple people are working on one video. So you create the project, and we'll go ahead and do that. So we'll just say Tiara Tech video. Okay, creating a collaborative video with shared resources. Okay. All right, cool. So you decide what kind of project it's going to be, and then we say next. And then we can add all the members. We can choose members. I only have the one, so it's kind of silly, or I can invite members with a link. So I'm going to say choose me. You have to make sure that you choose the person and you say next. You can add media or not. Okay, so sometimes the media is not available because you haven't created it yet. And then next. And then we've created the project. So yay, there's a project that we're going to work on. So create video now. Okay, this takes you to the storyboarding and the tracks, and you just add tracks like from the media that already exists. So these are all things from videos that I've already made, and you just drag them into the track. You can also, I guess you can layer them. I can't imagine what that looks like, but here we go. We're going to see. Okay, so that doesn't quite work. Okay, so that's going to be a skill that I kind of acquire at some point. All right, so don't put a video here, but maybe put a video elsewhere. And if you realize, oh, this is not something that I want, you just drag it up there and trash it. Okay, you can add audio tracks, and you can add new video. So let's see, video track title. This would be just adding a track. Recording. Ooh, you could record the screen. You could record webcam. Okay, so those are two new features that I did not realize were available because I had already recorded my things. Let's see what the webcam does. Continue. Almost there. I need to install. Okay, so there are some things that you need to install. You need to also make sure that that your Chromebooks are set up to do this. I know that there are sometimes restrictions on Chromebook use of apps, and at my organization, these are all kind of limited. So if we were going to turn this on, we would need to do it somewhere in the admin panel. Okay, so that's really kind of cool. We're going to say we're going to turn this off. Okay, there are themes which I did not even get to use. I suppose that this would play throughout. Oh, look at how awesome that is. Okay, I'm going to fast forward. Okay, so there's some cool things going on here. Ooh, ooh, that's cool. Okay, so there are themes, there are transitions that you can add, fades and stuff. That's pretty cool. Again, I didn't do all that because I cut the video clips a little too close. I didn't have time to do that, and it would cut into the student voices. So great transitions. There's music built in. Let's see. That's pretty cool. Okay, one more. Summer. That's awesome. Okay, so I could see some good uses for that. There are some graphics that you can include in the background. That is very cool. Okay, music, and then of course you can add text for captions and all. So I'll go ahead and I will show the video that I made earlier. Okay, so the dragon on the roof. This just is three clips. So my colleague next door um, introduced the two clips. So we had a dragon on the roof. It's like a little scandal. This is great. So there's the watermark that I was concerned about earlier. That's awesome. So then here's our dragon ascending to the roof. And yeah, really getting on the roof. So I didn't notice these things before, but it looks like I can share this video to Google Classroom. I can change the name, I can change the thumbnail, privacy, add to gallery. Okay, now download. I did download this video. Um, and I went ahead and uploaded the resulting video up to YouTube, and then this is what happened. You know that if you import or insert a video into a Google slide, you don't have to deal with the nonsense of suggestive videos or ads. It clears them, strips them right off. So that's what I did with all these videos, and you can totally watch them full screen within the Google slide environment. And I just think that that's a great way to take all of the excess distractions away. Um, yeah, so I mean, this is fantastic, I think. The one thing that I noticed was that when you work on a project with someone else, so what I had done here was I think I had the town hall video open on my computer, and then I opened it also on a Chromebook, and it said, oh, it's locked for editing. So um, yeah, I'm trying to figure out how exactly you would have kids collaborate at the same time. You can't do it in real time like you would a Google Doc, and I understand why. It's a video, so you wouldn't really be able to do that. But then, what could kids do in the meantime? Could they create other media? Could they create the audio? Could they create the captions? I'm not sure. So, that's something that I would love to look deeper into. And I think I'm going to recommend this for my organization because I think that the what I did this time for these election videos, we are doing a dragon mascot election. But what I did, the kids could totally do. And I think that they'd be really engaged and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of my 90-day trial for WeVideo and keep using it. So let's stop so we can look at each other again. Ta-da! Well, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week. I am committed to, coming back every week for 10-minute Tick Monday. So thanks. Bye.